reserve. Mine's already hit the diverter valve. I'm going to use our thumb foot pedal, and this is basically lined up so when I push to the left, it's going to activate it. Crank her up. I don't know how the sound's going to be. I'm inside. I got the AC on. So it's pretty warm out, and we'll see how she's going to go. So you're putting a little pressure. You don't want to go nuts. Really with this, what I'm learning is that you really want to just, start at edges, put some pressure, just chip away at it. I just greased it. Look at that grease coming out. That's good. What I've been doing is kind of starting from one end. There we go. Come up, I'll move it a few inches. Pull things either. If it's loose, you can do a little bit. You don't want to be using that as a pry bar. It's not what they're made for. Just let the hammer do its thing. See it going down gradually. Watch the oil temp. Oil temp stayed great yesterday, and yesterday was a 85-degree day, humidity, humid day. Everything was good. What he was telling